what are we doing?
What do you mean? We gotta load this 68. We got the U-Haul. We got Gold Dust, even though everybody else over here like has new trucks to tow stuff with, right? I was told to go in there, collect the trophy too. Yeah. Just figure someone else to get it. Okay. I'll move for you. This one's a piece.
You transport?
That's my main transport guy
that's
right there.
Up.
That's Greg. Senor Gregito. What are you doing?
Where are you going to? I don't know where they're at. I don't know where they're at. That's what I was making sure of.
Greg. I thought you always cross yours.
I go out.
You don't have a U-Haul.
Yeah, I mean, you got to do a cross like that with U-Haul with tie downs on the center, but something like that. Fourth, your other strap back there.
No, you're fine. Thank you.
Good.
Back up a little bit for them to get on that trailer. Now you got that massive truck. I know, I'm really proud of you. Y'all done? Power tool work out?
No, it's going to work out. That way I can still out. Power tool's hard to do because you don't get anything. We don't have time to do that. In June we are busy every single day.
Should I do power shop? All four?
Like my truck's finally finished. Yeah. This I got my 4-year decal on the back window.
That's it. Top it out.
Red, white, and blue one.
Go again. We got a golf cart too. We're taking. I'll hold on to it. We walk it all the way down. Yeah. Thanks to my boy Sergio. He's heading back to Miami. I'm actually heading to Wisconsin. You guys are gonna see why. But he took back some of my totes, and then Dan with his Raptor 79 took back the rest of them because Dan's actually commissioning me to help him sell that. So if you guys are interested in it, I'm gonna be listing that thing for sale pretty soon. But right now we're gonna continue packing up. So here we go. June 12th to 17th. It goes from Atlanta to Tennessee. These I don't care as much. This one, oh my god.
That one, yeah, that's gold.
Because these were wrapped. That one's painted.
Let me see those, Solomon.
My boy Plate Makers hooked it up.
Oh.
What up, everybody? Welcome back to an episode of Ford Era. And today, you guys are going to be, I guess for the first time on Ford Era, seeing a lot of behind the scenes of me doing some photography of a lot of badass Ford trucks. So right now, we're here with Steve Howley and the guys, and I'm doing a photo shoot for a classic truck performance of his awesome bump side, and it's got a Hellcat in it. So we're doing a What the Truck with it as well. So stay tuned for that coming soon. And today's episode vlog is basically going to be all the What the Truck behind the scenes videos and all of the classic truck performance photo shoot behind the scenes. So stay tuned. It's going to be really fun. But we're not going to give you too many spoilers because we don't want you to miss out on What the Truck. So make sure to be subscribed. If you're not subscribed, do that right now. And boom.
4 women, 3 kids, you know, it makes everything different. Dad's basically a woman. Dad's basically a woman. Yeah. So, what you know, I don't care where we're going.
Friday, Saturday, leave out Sunday, come back on
You can get the B-roll of them pulling in if we're going to do vlog stuff. Hell yeah.
I thought I was gonna have to mail it to you.
Oh, that worked out great.
Stick it here for the background.
Right. Yeah, we got permits and everything. We just rented this whole place out. Shoot every truck you've built. Because how many Coyote Swap trucks have you done?
a couple of hundred now.
Right. In how many
I
years?
have 34 at the shop right now.
Right. 34 at the shop, but in how many, a couple hundred over how many years?
Starting in 2012.
So between so in 10 years you've done a couple hundred.
Yeah.
All right. Perfectly straight.
Stunt double.
Stunt double. Oh, so bad. It's like Florida. When you live in Miami and you got to go west, that means you got to go up and over. You're 12 hours just in Florida. You're like, what? This state's not that big.
When we left your place.
With the Pensacola?
No, we went to Sarasota.
Oh, yeah.
We went from your place.
And then let's pop the hood, please.
Stayed on Highway 82.
So, are you having fun?
I'm having a great time. My job sucks. Like, I have to hang out with cool truck people and take pictures, and it's a hard life, but someone's got to do it. If you would prefer not, I don't mind making two separate ones.
No, it doesn't matter to me. Are you gonna split them into different episodes?
No, it's gonna be like, yeah, it's gonna be like, all right, everybody.
I think it could be kind of cool just because like
You guys both worked on that truck,
This one,
right?
but,
And then
I mean, I'm just trying
back up. You can leave it straight. Turn the
Cam.
wheel back. Yeah. Keep going.
Put
Keep
your
going.
truck
Keep
over there
going.
and
Keep
take
going.
pictures.
Keep going.
Yeah.
All right, now turn it the other way.
I thought it was
I'm throwing some Detroit steel wheels on it now, though. White smoothies or ambassadors.
This on it, it's cheaper. It just keeps getting cheaper and cheaper, right?
I'll have to let him know, 'cause I'm sure he wants one.
Yeah, they're really cool and comfy. Hop up on it. I'm saying, you hop up on there.
About that at the show?
No, my buddy makes them. I'm hauling it for him.
That actually is,
Right?
I mean, he's sitting back on it.
Well, you could stay up there if you'd like.
Go on, ride.
Thank you so much for taking the time out.
Thank you very much. We appreciate it.
Steve, I know you don't want to say hi, but hi. I love your truck.
I appreciate you, buddy. Thank y'all for everything.
Yes, Farm Truck Racing TX, Instagram, Facebook, even TikTok for the kids. So.
And again, thank you, Steve. You guys, you can subscribe. Also, comment section. Yeah.
Yeah, come on out and see us.
Are you coming out to, what's the Classic Truck Throwdown?
It's my anniversary weekend, so I don't know for sure.
Okay.
So
I know Gumby's been talking about it this whole weekend.
I want to. The problem is, I always give that weekend to my wife.
Oh, yeah.
So if she, for some reason, wants to let me do it, which she won't, I'll go. But it's a trade out, you know.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
I'll be like, oh, instead of going this weekend, if we don't go this weekend, maybe next weekend we'll go to the Bahamas. And it's my birthday. 7 days after our anniversary is my birthday, July 5th. So
May be able to work it out.
maybe.
Oh, is it July 4th weekend? Oh, that's that Tuesday we have off, not Monday. Damn it.
All right, we appreciate you greatly.
You guys, safe travels.
All righty, thank you.
And
Nice meeting you.
likewise, I really appreciate your time. Thank you guys so much for spending it here.
Oh, yeah.
Thank
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank
This was
you.
like a one-time trip, and then after getting up here and getting here, like, yeah, maybe we have to start trying to do this every year. Once you get here, it's good. But
Well, luckily,
14-hour drive.
there's multiple different shows that are here. So
Yeah.
in September, not saying not to come back to Grand Nats. I love Grand Nats. I
Right.
come back every year. But you have like the F100 Grand National, the Super Nationals in Sevierville, which is right there
Right.
in September. And then my favorite show of the entire year, which you have to come to, is Holly Ford Fest. They have autocross, they have Grand Champion racing with like prize money. They have drifting, they have drag racing, like everything there. Plus it's a full truck show, car show. Like
That's right up
Isn't
here.
that in
that's in
Kentucky, though?
Bowling Green, Kentucky, which is like not far from here. It's just about as far for you guys. It's just more north, but it's less west or
What's
less
it
east.
called?
Holly Ford Fest.
I've seen
Ford
that.
Fest.
It's where
I blew up Snickers. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the most event I go to. Period. especially for you guys that actually like to drive your stuff,
Yeah.
because you could be in the show and then you're like, all right, now that I've been judged, let's go to the autocross.
Yeah.
And then you just go tear up the autocross for the entire rest of the weekend.
It's basically Ford's version of LS.
It is. It is the Ford version of LS Fest. That's exactly what it is. So if you've been to LS Fest, Ford Fest,
Yeah. That'd have to be on our bucket list.
September 28th to October 2nd.
Okay.
So you got.
Time of the year too.
It is.
Yeah.
It's a great time of the year. It's really nice, and Beach Bend Raceway is beautiful.
Nice.
So, well, you guys,
Yeah.
safe
Thank you.
travels.
Bye.
Thank you. No, love it. You got to direct people once in a while so you can get the right shots for you guys. Before we start talking.
I'll move it out.
All right. Thank you very much, by the way, for your time. I know you wanted to.
After I finished it, I was like, man, that was too cheap. It wasn't enough money. I had.
Actually, spin it around when you straighten it so I can get the other side. Safe travels home, brother.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
This is the EcoBoost, right?
What's that?
This is the EcoBoost, right?
Yeah.
3.5?
Yep.
How do you like it?
I love it.
You love it?
I love it. You want to
Just
see
the
it?
motor?
No, it's on a 2016 F-150 four-wheel drive chassis.
I do want to see it. We always got time to look at cool stuff. And what was your name again for the camera?
Donnie.
And Donnie, are you on Instagram?
Not really.
Okay. 78, right?
78 F-250 Super Cab short bed. Have a good one, man. Be careful.
Dude. Oh, the PCM mount is the exact same as the Coyote one?
Yes.
I did not
It's
know
Gen
that.
2 mount.
Wow. So tell me about the truck. What did you
It's a 78 F-250 Super Cab short bed. It's on a 2016 F-150 chassis, four-wheel drive. We shortened the frame down about 6 inches, and it's got a leveling kit on it. It's got stock exhaust, 3.5.
did you do anything to the
6R
motor?
rated.
It's completely
It's
stock.
completely stock at this point.
And then did you have it repainted anything, or this is how you bought it?
This is all the way I bought it. The inside we stripped down and repainted the inside the color I'm going to go with, and then we put Mustang GT bucket seats in it, late model floor shift F-150 console, Dakota Digital, vintage air.
I love it. And now you're driving back to Texas.
Yeah,
Hey, safe
great.
travels.
20 miles a gallon.
20 miles to the gallon. Wow.
Awesome. I appreciate it.
Thank you. See you guys. You could literally have anything.
Thanks, guys.
And as long as you love it, it's super cool. Just like this, just like everything here. Favorite part of coming to shows like this is getting to meet guys that do stuff like that. Do that again, I'll get the mic next to it. Couple more, that sounds too good. All right, you guys know I got a 3.5 EcoBoost sitting at the shop, literally on that pallet. It has to go into something now.
Later, guys.
See you, bud.